Wow.
Oh, that was scary.
Lock up! Hey!
From the tank. What can he do? We're number 10. Good ball. Well done. There now. On top. Oh no, 2 players got in the way. And that has been the story of Harbour.
Oh. Jibbly then, man.
Ref looks to his watch. And he has decided to call it the end of the game. Nil all. Not doing much favor.
And then, of course, towards the end of the second half, the game became stretched. There was some great chances from Molynes, especially that last play there on the set piece. But you're still happy with the point?
Very much so. Very, very much so. I mean, playing away from home, playing Harbour, you get a point. You got to be grateful in the last round of the Premier League because it's really, really close. So I thought, tactically, Molynes were good today. Harbour was also good. And both teams, I think, gave it as much as they got. So for that, I have to be grateful.
So how can you improve on this now, coach? Because we want more goals. As a neutral, we don't like the nil-all match. Not saying it was a boring match, but we like to see goals because that's how we live for.
Yeah, we like to see goals as well, but as you know, we are in a fight, so we want to make sure we don't concede first, and then if we can get goals, we get goals. I see we created a few chances, but we just didn't make use of them, so it's just our luck.
How are you feeling at the moment? Because before we know that you were sad when we saw you walk off the field. How are you feeling now? Calm down a little?
Well, I'm calm, but as a football player with passion for the game and passion for Harbour because I started here from I was a young child, 13 years old. I think the team is way beyond par, and I really want the team to step up and be up in the table to qualify for top 6 and stuff. But as I say, everything takes a day by day. Everything is, day by day, one step at a time.